Hello again, welcome. This is episode 11 of my DIY conversion of a BMW E91 to electric using second-hand parts from a GS 450H transmission and inverter. And yeah, so let's get into it. Not a lot this week, but let's go. God, it's cold. I've got the boots back on though now, on the steering rack. Oh jeez, it's cold, so I can't stay out much longer, so straight back in. So I took this little plug out of the bottom of the transmission. It's for the filling level, so there's a little tube inside, and when the oil goes over the top and dribbles out, you've got enough. So yeah, I'll put that on there. This is the stuff I got. And I can't actually get to the proper filling place, so I've just rigged this up. I'm just filling through the breather pipe. It's taking ages, but easier than dropping the transmission again. So it's now dribbling out of the level thing, so I think it's got enough oil in. I'm going to put the plug back in. Oil pump's pumping away. That's pretty quiet actually, that. A lot of shouting and swearing, but it's out. So I could put the charge port somewhere in there, somehow. Not sure yet. But yeah, suit! So I'm struggling a bit with ideas for mounting the CCS port. So I don't know if this is going to work, it might end up junk. But I've sort of knocked this metal tray into the right shape that fits behind the hole. So I can cut. I think it's going to not work, I don't know. But anyway, this is currently messing around with just somehow attaching. I've taken the hinge from the other bit, somehow attaching that in there. I don't know. Not sure. I might just get another one of these off eBay and I don't know, start again. We'll see. There's the brake vacuum sensor and brake vacuum pump wiring. Just routed it along there, just under that lip and into the mess. It's not wired in yet, but it's pretty simple. 12 volt switched ground, and then there's going to be one of these is 5 volt, that one's ground for the vacuum sensor, and that one is the green one is going to go to a analog in pin on zombie. Right, so we've got brake vacuum control working. So brake vacuum pump for out 3 and the vacuum sensor on analog 2. I've set the threshold to 2200 and the hysteresis at 2000. So let's plot. Where are we? Down at the bottom. Let's plot that. Oh, it's not loaded the library. Right. Start the plot. Okay, so let's start up. That's it in. Vacuum pump is on. It's building up vacuum. vacuum pump stopped. Use the brake. Nice, back on. Stopped. There's a little bit of a leak, it's going down a little bit, but we'll sort that out later. And tweak the threshold and stuff. But yeah, it gives me brake boost now. You can hear pumps back on. And it's off again. Right, have you seen? We've got the brake boost working, so now we've got vacuum assist for the brakes. There was a little bug where that I had to fix. So when I first put this in Zombie, when it first went into Zombie Verticode, there was a case that I missed. If you switch the car off while the pump is pumping, it keeps on pumping. So yeah, there's a little bug fix there. So I need to do a pull request for that, get that into the next release. I don't think anyone's using it yet. No one's reported it, so there we go. What else have we got? Yeah, I'm struggling a bit with the charge port. The CCS thing is just big, and it's testing my design imagination and skills of fabricating. So I don't know what I'm going to do there. Maybe that I just put a standard Type 2 behind there just for AC charging and mount the CCS somewhere else just for DC fast charging. But we'll see. Yeah, so hopefully the battery will come soon. Struggling to find someone to actually bring it up from Stephen in Bromley, London, same thing. But use the website Shipley, or you post your job and people bid for it, and quite a few people bid for it, most of them ranging between £80 and £300. So a few of the ones under 100 looked alright, and the fellow who got the best feedback and one of the lower prices, gone with him. So we'll see if that comes hopefully next week after, and we can start making some progress on that. But yeah, that's it for this week.